Let's go. So, this is the park right now on January 25th. You know, I knew this storm was going to be coming in soon, right when I was about ready to move out of here. And we've already got an inch in the last hour. I walked here this morning and you can't even see my footsteps since this morning. That's only been a couple hours. Would not want to be evicted at this time of the year now, would you? They recently just terminated our rental agreement, so they did give me until March 1st. But it's not very pleasant staying here lately with that hanging over your head, so I'm just going to try and get out as early as I can. Go somewhere else.